In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see who you follow on LinkedIn. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and head over to LinkedIn's website. Simply type linkedin.com into the address bar and press enter. Once you're on the site, you'll need to sign into your account. You have a couple of options here. If you've linked your LinkedIn account to Google or Microsoft, you can log in using those credentials. Otherwise, you can enter your email address and password directly to access your account. For those of you who have two-factor authentication enabled, you might be prompted to verify your account. This is an excellent security measure that LinkedIn provides. You'll usually receive a verification code sent to your registered phone number, which you'll need to enter to proceed. It's a simple step that greatly enhances the security of your account, and I highly recommend keeping it turned on. Once you're successfully logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the LinkedIn homepage. At the top, you'll notice a variety of icons designed for easy navigation across the platform. Among these, you'll find an icon labeled My Network. Go ahead and click on it. This section of LinkedIn is where you can manage your connections as well as the individuals and companies that you follow. Once you've clicked on My Network, shift your focus to the left-hand side of the page. Here, under the heading Manage My Network, you'll see a link named Following and Followers. Click on this link to access a comprehensive overview of the profiles you're following on LinkedIn. When you arrive on this page, you'll find that LinkedIn organizes the people and companies you follow into a neatly formatted list. This design makes it incredibly easy to review and manage the profiles you're interested in. As you scroll through this list, you might notice profiles or companies you're no longer keen on following. If that's the case, you'll find it straightforward to make adjustments. Next to each entry on your list is a button labeled Following. If you click on this button for any profile you no longer wish to follow, an option will appear allowing you to unfollow that person or company. This simple action enables you to curate your feed, ensuring that the content you see is as relevant and engaging as possible. Unfollowing a person or company means you won't see their updates in your feed anymore. However, don't worry if you change your mind later on. You can always follow them again whenever you choose. And there you have it. You now know how to view and manage who you're following on LinkedIn. Regularly checking and adjusting this list can significantly enhance your LinkedIn experience by keeping your feed aligned with your current professional interests.